You ever look at someone and think, or just look at them and feel like they are mean, like mean people? You ever just look at someone in their eyes and just like, this is definitely a mean someone, this is someone you should stay away from?
Starting from the bottom with a career and a master's degree behind me, this is how week one really went of starting all over.
You will not believe that I recorded this video until I thought I was done. Then when I looked at my camera, it wasn't recording. It wasn't recording. Anywho, this is first week and I'm back in school, and I am taking my 2 heavy science classes, and that is AMP2, anatomy and physiology, and microbiology. If you know anything about the science classes, you know these classes are really heavy. These are heavy science classes. So I started school this week. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm doing it and I'm praying that it goes well, because I really need it. I really need to have good grades to pass these 2 classes, and it's 8 weeks. I don't know what I was thinking. But I'm just from the library right now. So anyhow, yesterday I had this, I don't know, you ever look at someone and think, or just look at them and feel like they are mean, like mean people? You ever just look at someone in their eyes and just like, this is definitely a mean someone, this is someone you should stay away from? So this one person in my class is giving me that vibes. It's giving me mean girl vibes. I don't know. So anyhow, so we're doing bacteria, looking at bacteria under the microscope, and just it was mainly staphylococcus and what's the name of the other bacteria we're looking at? I cannot remember the name was. Anyhow, so my team, we were in group of 3s. My team, we got finished earlier, and so the teacher said when you finish you can go. So when we got done, 2 of my teammates left already. I was getting my stuff together to leave, and they had a little struggle with one of the bacteria, and to get the microscope to focus, not the bacteria, but to get the microscope to focus on the bacteria. So the professor came around and helped them, and I said, oh, can I take a look? And this girl said, didn't you do yours already? I said, yes, I did. One of the team members from her team said, oh, she just wanted to take a look because, you know, the teacher has helped us focus. The microscope definitely is going to be better. And I said, yeah. And I was just like, this girl stood in front of the microscope for at least 40 seconds before moving, so I could look at what the teacher, how focused it was, because it was really clear. We had it on 40x magnification, and I was just like,